It's spooky season, and today I'll be showing you how I made my spooky Mossy skeleton. It is very easy to do and the results are pretty creepy. I'm using a small skeleton, but you could definitely do this with a full-size one. First, I mixed some brown acrylic paint with black paint. We just need it to be a dark brown shade. Then I started covering the skeleton with it, but it's important to work in small sections because we then have to go back and wipe off some of the paint. So you don't want it to dry completely before you can get to it. Once the whole thing dries, it will be nicely stained and a little more realistic looking than before. Next, I used several different types of moss and some garden soil for the next steps. We're going to be covering the whole skeleton, so here you could plan out where you want everything to go, where it will look better. And I just attached each piece of moss to the skeleton using hot glue. Then for the smaller crumbly pieces and the soil, I brushed on some regular crafting glue to attach these. After that, just let your skeleton dry completely and it'll be ready to go on your Halloween display.